guys, welcome back. Today we're at my fridge. Fridge tour, not even fully stocked, but it's okay. So we got, I don't know if I'm supposed to use Lancia Riesling wine, or like whatever it is, I don't know. Some Smucker's grape jelly. I'll put you guys around here so I can show you. Don't mind that stain. We got Apothic red wine. We got Encartate wine or spirits. We have some Salsa Verde Cantina style medium. Salsa Verde. We got some Regano Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. And then last thing in this original applesauce from Simple Harvest. Let's move one up. We got some minced garlic and water. We have some of this like jelly, pepper jelly or something like that. I don't know. We got some more of this like jelly stuff. I don't know if this because my Nana makes it. She makes it like really good. We got some more of that green stuff. We got some beer and bought mustard. We got fresh bay leaf. We got bacon, like oil, stuff like that. Bacon butter. And then we got my brother's my brother Eli's medicine. I'm covering everything up because I don't want any of you guys to see anything even from information. Same thing. The grease, the bacon grease. Gotta put everything back. Shut it and then reopen it. So always happens, you guys. Just gonna keep on going on and off. As the temperature is going down from it being open so long. We have one. We got some Dunbar's roasted peppers. We got some squeezable Daisy brand sour cream pure natural. We have some there's Eli whipped cream cheese spread. Hold on, Eli. Is he doing a video? Want to be in it?
Yeah.
Look at the camera. Look right there. Say hi. Okay. We got some butter, some sweet cream, butter, and salt. And then for my mom, we got these twisted cherries, alcohol infused cherries. We got the jelly. That's right. Let's try this. There you go. I'll do this side because we just got done with that side. Got one more. Gotta restock on that. We have some Tuscan garden ranch. That's the only ranch we like. With some half and half. We got some Berman's traditional yellow mustard. We got traditionally brewed all-purpose soy sauce. It's a big thing, soy sauce. We got some Wishbone Evu made with extra virgin olive oil, Caesar vinaigrette. Little dressing. Eli, come here! We got some Kansas City vinaigrette. Caesar, come here! The viewers want to see you. Some Worcestershire sauce. Some Thousand Island sauce. Oh crap. Okay. Got some Thousand Island. We got some. And then last thing is this Brian's home style Caesar dressing, Asiago Caesar dressing. So all of this back in there plus that. I'll start this up. I'm also like kind of ordering it because I'm thinking like how it should be like. Half right there. These. I'm trying to have my phone not to die before the end of the video, so hopefully that doesn't happen again. Then moving on up to the top, we got some caramel. We got some pure blackberry jam from Canada. We have some. While we have this, the Broncoberry sauce from Arby's. We have some Kirkland. Oh my god, this is so good. After I did this, the apricot preserves little jelly stuff. This is so good. From Kirkland, it's the basil pesto. Delicious whenever we have the pesto the pesto, like ravioli or something like that. It's delicious. And then we have to the bottom part. We have hot dogs, cheese, more hot dogs, more cheese. We have peppers, avocados, whatever this stuff is. I don't know what it is though. Then we got some lettuce and tomatoes. And here we got 2 Lunchables and 2 Fruit Cups. Right here we have a bunch of Capri Suns. We got some flour back there. We got some sauce for something. We got something in there. We got a bunch of eggs. We got some beans from tacos. We got some pudding. Whatever this is, I don't even know. A meatloaf from last night. We got some tortillas. We got some leftovers from Texas Roadhouse. I think it was from Texas Roadhouse. I forget. Some pineapple, which I'm gonna have for snack. Some spicy brown mustard. Some chocolate syrup. Some tomato ketchup. And there's some, hold on. There was some meat. There was some, oh my gosh, I really want to pick that up and show you guys how big this is. It is the biggest thing ever. We have some paste chunky salsa. Remember that, how tiny that was. Compared to the exact same thing. Just a way bigger thing. It is the exact same thing, just way bigger. I don't even know who gave that to us. We have mayonnaise, sour cream, some sauces. That was all that stuff. Pineapple I'm going to keep down here because it's for my snack. Chocolate syrup and chocolate milk. Then we have chicken tenders that we made. We have some pickles, some delicious pickles from Great Jerkins. We got some Romano cheese. With some French onion dip. Eli, come here. We have some of that still. Come here. We have some more of that stuff. We have apple pecan butter. We have apple butter. We have this guacamole salsa. Hey! And we have some diced tomatoes. Quit it! Brothers. Oh, brother. That was my fridge. Let's go to my freezer because I want to show you guys that too. After I put the rest of these pineapples in a bowl because I'm eating them right now. Basic white bowl. Basic, good pineapple. Let's do this so I can drain it. Not that much. Okay. Put it in the trash can. Then we got some pineapple. It's good. Very good. Hold on. Put this down. I'll have a few more bites. Alright, let's go. Hey, Eli, what are you doing? No, that's with that. Here. Okay, so we got some ice packs, some meat, some more cheese, some beef or meat, get more ice packs, and some ice packs. We have some dinner yeast rolls. We have potato pasta, we have some sausage, we got corn dogs, we got more meat, we got tilapia, we got pizzas, and then we got honey style egg noodles. Home style egg noodles, honey style. And yeah, I think that's going to be the sign off. Don't get it. See you. JK. You're not doing perfect. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, get the video, big thumbs up if you like it. If you didn't, it's okay. And if you haven't already, turn on that post notifications bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And comment down below and say I'm new if you're new. And you know what to do. Stay kind and be nice to each other. Peace.